Parenthood is still in its alpha mode, and that means you can still use any much stuff around. And so here I am. If you really want to role play during alpha mode, then I'm going to teach you how to lay down on the bed, which you can see it's not clickable. The only thing that is clickable is the fridge, the bathtub, and the crib right here where you can place your child. So this is how you lay down on the bed. Yeah, as you can see, you can't, no matter how you jump on it, you can't. Okay, go to the bathroom, click the bathtub. Sorry, that was my dog. And then click sit. And then once you are using the bathtub, you can click the space bar. And this might be really weird, but yeah, you can walk this way, go to your bed, and then yeah, change any position, right? Okay, now we are using the bed, and that's how you can use the bed here in Parenthood.